Learn how to install your pre-attached nostalgic warehouse vintage door hardware in this quick video tutorial. Once you receive your hardware, open the box to check what is included. The box includes 2 pre-attached knob and plate assemblies, 1 strike plate with 2 wood screws, 1 face plate with 2 wood screws, 4 2/8 wood mounting screws, 1 spindle, and 1 latch. For privacy door sets, you will also receive 1 privacy release key and 1 privacy pin. You will need a pencil, a Phillips head screwdriver, a drill with a 1/8 inch bit, and measuring tape. Remove any current hardware you may have on your door. If this is a new door, make sure there is already a pre-drilled borehole. Use your measuring tape to measure from the edge of the door to the center of the borehole. Standard back sets are either 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches. Standard doors are 1 3/8 inches thick or 1 3/4 inches thick. If you have a privacy set, locate the privacy function hole on the latch. Make sure the threaded side of the privacy function hole is installed facing the interior side of the door. Insert the latch into the door through the borehole. If you have a privacy set, make sure the non-threaded privacy release hole faces the outside of the door. The beveled side of the tongue should face towards the door jamb when the door is open. If it is facing the wrong direction, rotate the tongue to face the correct direction. Place the faceplate over the latch tongue on the edge of the door. Mark the holes. Remove the faceplate and drill the holes. Use the provided wood screws to attach the faceplate to the door. Insert the spindle through the latch from the outside of the door with the button side first. Make sure you push the button down and hold down during insertion. When installing the exterior half, make sure the privacy release hole is adjacent to the door's edge. Install the exterior plate by sliding it onto the spindle. Make sure the edge of the plate is parallel to the edge of the door. Mark the mounting holes through the plate with a pencil. Remove the plate and use the drill and 1/8 inch bit to drill the mounting holes into the exterior of the door. Replace the plate and use the wood mounting screws to secure the plate to the exterior of the door. Slide the interior plate onto the spindle. Mark the mounting holes through the plate with a pencil. For a privacy plate, there is 1 hole for the privacy pin in addition to the 4 mounting holes. Make sure the privacy pin hole is adjacent to the door's edge and the plate is parallel with the door edge. Remove the plate and use the drill and 1/8 inch bit to drill the mounting holes into the interior of the door. Replace the plate and use the wood mounting screws to secure the plate to the interior of the door. For privacy sets, insert the privacy pin in its hole and twist to tighten. To ensure functionality, push the privacy pin in and check that the exterior knob does not turn. To test the privacy release function, with the door open, push in the privacy pin. Then insert the privacy release key into the hole located on the outside of the door and push to unlock the door. The last step is the installation of the strike plate. Mark and drill the holes for the strike plate. Place the strike plate on the inside of the door jamb and install with the provided wood screws. You have now correctly installed your beautiful vintage Nostalgic Warehouse hardware. For more information about Nostalgic Warehouse, contact our customer support team.